Hello again, beautiful people. I'm on my way home. Heading north. Back up the Scarbs. Absolutely stunning the sunset will be because of the clouds tonight. But we'll probably be a little early, but you can see over there, as soon as that sun gets under that cloud, it's going to look good. Here we are crossing the Swan River in Perth. It's Fremantle Harbour over there. I'll probably head out to Port Beach, go a long way home, well, long as in an extra 5 minutes, but it's quite nice. This means I have to chuck a left down here at this lights, get across to the beach, go past the Frio dock, and yeah, see where it goes from there. So, pretty cruisy Sunday arvo because the weather's not great, and people in Perth get scared as soon as it's below 25 degrees. So it's around 17. It's probably about 15 now, to tell you the truth, this late in the day, maybe even less. But I'm not finding it too bad at all. On the bike, with my hoodie on, my jeans, my shoes, cruising along. I'm going to have to take that bloody hoodie off because the lace is annoying. It keeps bashing my helmet, and that's going to come through so loud in the microphone. But this is what all testing's about. I wonder how noisy this helmet will be for wind noise, motorcycle noise, all that jazz. Because it will be a test because I'm not speaking the clearest because my voice sounds like I've done 300 days of karaoke. That's about it, really, to tell you the truth. I haven't, but it certainly sounds like I have. There's the railway line into the docks. There's Port Beach. No, the last fatality, I think it was last year or the year before, for a shark attack in Perth happened on that beach. Poor bastard. But yeah, he got taken, got done, just here. But yeah, sad. But we do live in a place where there's lots of great white sharks. So that, and tiger sharks. I think it was a tiger. There you go, there's Port Beach right there. Let's go through here, shall we? For a little bit with this car. A couple of people enjoying the afternoon walks. It's always a good time for it in Perth. In the summer, it's like a highway on those walkways. At the moment, it's not too bad. Yeah, all these new little North Frio apartments were done, I don't know, probably 7-8 years ago. Quite nice. Good place right near the beach. A couple of nice cafes in there. If I cruised through, you could have seen them. But yeah, I'll just cruise around we go. Dark behind the building. The dingo flower dog. Hello, dingo flower dog. How are you? Bit of a cool bit of signage there on the side of the dingo flower building. It's all very cool. As we cruise back up the west coast of Western Australia. Absolutely magnificent place to live. I've lived in Sydney, I've lived in Queensland, pretty much lived in Canberra. Definitely my favourite place to live. It's just magnificent. As you can see. I wish I was on my dirt bike so I could stand up and give you a better view of the ocean over there. That's what it is. Might chuck a left up here and continue along the beach, along Cottesloe. Bit of a tourist drive on the way home. Kind of hoping I'm going to catch this sunset when we get back to Scarbs in another 20 odd minutes. But we'll see how we go. Just cruising along. Yeah. Oh well, fish and chips down by the beach if you want. Food truck. If there was a coffee one open, I probably would have stopped so I could talk a little bit better after I had a warm coffee because, well, my voice is trashed. Here we are coming into Cottesloe, Cool little town right on the beach if you want to have a beer in the afternoon, overlooking the ocean. We'll be in there in a couple of minutes. Just chuck a left at this roundabout. Bar indicators. So cool. Motor gadget for the win. Alright, as we turn down. Kite surfer. Getting their shit in pile. Getting ready to go out and catch a few waves. Yeah, it's going to be a good test of this microphone, and man, it's so beautiful here. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. West Coast, the best coast. Amazing. But it's going to put it on. The sunset's going to be good today. My bike's a bit low to smash speed bumps. She's a real low rider. Man. You can't help but look at it. It's just amazing. Wonder if there's much of a Sunday sesh going on in the Cotslow Hotel or any of the pubs down here. Probably not, because it's not real nice weather. Perth people get scared, but there is an event on. Don't know what event's on. There's an event. I think the event's pretty much over. Yeah. Don't know what it was. Gage Rose Brewery was there though. Cool. Yeah, Gage Roads. What a beer. Back when I used to drink, I'd drink once on Sundays in Australia. I had one drink. I had an Irish coffee today with the Galway hooker. It was absolutely beautiful. But other than that, I don't drink any other time in Australia, but I drink overseas when I'm travelling on holidays. But I used to drink a Gage Roads beer called Little Dove. It tastes like a mid-strength beer. It's amazingly tasty, but it's 6.8%. So if you want to get absolutely trowed, it's definitely a good one to go for. Yeah. Man, Cotslow pretty amazing too. Cotteslow, not Cotslow. Cotteslow. G'day puppy! A bit quiet at the hotel. In summer, you would not see a single spare chair at the front of that hotel. It would be packed, which is all cool. God, it's like general store. Probably get a coffee there, but I'll make one when I get home. I've got some milk, which is all good. Man, as soon as this sun gets under these clouds, it's going to look the goods, people. The goods. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Man. Yeah, people stopping to take photos. Man, sorry, I keep doing that, but it's something to do when you live somewhere pretty. It's just got to appreciate it, you know. A lot of people around the world, they've got a lot worse than I do, so you just kind of got to appreciate what you got, enjoy it, and soak it up, mate. That's all you can do. Man, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. It's about to pop out. Jesus. my head, you wouldn't be able to see it, but there's a big high-rise up there. That is Scarborough. That's the Rendezvous Hotel. Built by Alan Bond in the 80s, so he could house all the people for the America's Cup the year after he won the America's Cup. Of course, he gets to defend it at his own port, which was Fremantle, where we just were. So he built that hotel on Scarborough Beach for a place for everyone to stay. It's looking quite old now, because it was probably built, I don't know, early 80s, early to mid 80s. Yeah. Oh, well, I'm tired. Sorry for the cough. Cruising away from the beach now. We'll get back on the West Coast Highway. And we'll cut back in just before Scarborough. We'll be on the beach again. What time is it? It's 20 past 5 in the afternoon. We might just be on time when we get to Scarbs here. We turn down to head home. We might just be on it. Sunset. But we'll see. Good coffee here on the left. Little place, little deli. Some really nice, it's like a really nice little deli in there. Got lots of stuff. You can buy sandwiches and stuff like that. Of course, it's not going to be open now. It actually is. Sunday afternoon, which is cool. But, yeah, supposedly this place across here on the right, it's got good coffee as well, but I've never been there and never stopped. So, but I just think it's good because every time I go past in the mornings, there's a massive lineup of people to get coffee there, which is all cool. Man, those motor gadget freaking bar and mirror indicators are bright. Here we are, West Coast Highway. About to go. Little boat, heading up for the day. Sweet. On the way. Afternoon push bike ride. Lovely. This guy's hauling. Gives 0 fucks. Well, not hauling, but 70 zone. I'm doing 70. It says 80, but I'm actually doing 70 kilometres an hour. Not miles, so I wish. But yeah. Stay right there, little champion. We don't want you coming across on me. Oh, temperature's dropping quickly now. Feel it. I can feel it. Woo! God, I can't sing with a voice like this. I can't sing at the best of time, to tell you the truth. There's SASR for our Special Forces train, Campbell Barracks. One of our customers, actually. Yeah. Oh God, that's annoying. Cruising along. Hey, by the way, phone's mounted in a cocklock charging case with an anti-vibration mount, so it doesn't destroy your camera. Great bit of kit. Quick charger, and click her on and she's charges up. It's there. It's a Note 20 Ultra, whatever it is. Well, Note 20, I don't think it's an Ultra. But yeah. Almost time to upgrade to the S23 because the battery on my phone is pretty trashy. But still goes alright. This is all Army to the left of us there. Training grounds. Woo, it is getting colder. All of a sudden that sun's going down and she's chilly, chilly, chilly. For Australia, it might be 13 degrees. 14 degrees. Probably not even. Just feels cold. We're Worcester's here. Jet coming in across the ocean, coming back from Europe somewhere. Wish I was coming back. Last time I flew in that direction, it was from Italy last year. An amazing trip. Great place. Wish I vlogged around Ischia Island when I was just cruising around the scooter. It was magnificent. Such a lovely place. It was hot! Damn hot! We're in Rome, we're doing like the Colosseum tours, and it was 43 degrees. That's like 110, something like that. It was hot. Still beautiful. Beautiful food, beautiful people. It's an A380. She's coming in from Europe. Probably Qatar, probably the same flight we brought back around that time. Yeah. Whew. It's getting cold. Scarborough, my hometown. Well, it's not my hometown, it's where I live now. I love it. Scarborough, oh man, the sunset. Jesus, the sun's massive. Oh, boys and girls. Oh. What a sunset. Turning it on. I'm going to be a couple of minutes too late. I should have went straight home. Just ahead. Come on, round here a little bit there. Oh, just a little smidgy. Just a couple of minutes. Wasn't for that sand dune, we'd have awesome sunset. But here's what it is. Just missed it. Got a little hint. That's about it. Now what? Other than that, it's alright. If I chucked a left, went down this walkway just to our left here where the speed sign is, 20 k's an hour for the bikes on the footpath, I'd be home in like 10 seconds. But I kind of got to go around. The footpath goes down along the front here. But it's all good. I'll be home in just a minute. Run, 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 puppy doggy. Straight down to my house. That vacant block, we're next to it. Yes, man. Oh, someone's come in, slide through, win. Look at her. Such a gorgeous pup. Just such a gorgeous bobber. Goodbye.